Hi, I'm Brian Mitchell, the pipeline coordinator at the Air Force Research Lab on Eglin Air Force Base. The U.S. Air Force and Space Force depend on a steady supply of engineering talent, and it's my responsibility to help young people discover and develop their STEM abilities. It's a big win for everybody when a middle schooler begins to realize her full potential in STEM. We're building a new exhibit at the Air Armament Museum here, and we want to feature a game to help students discover their future in STEM. The game challenges them to engineer a blast that will block the bad guys without damaging nearby treasured stained glass windows. To design the blast, you use a big trackball and virtual oscilloscope to analyze the equation for a shock wave. The takeaway? Students learn that math can solve real problems. They learn that solving math problems can be fun, and they learn that they can do it.
When energy spreads out in 3 dimensions, pressure dissipates according to distance, exponentially to the 3rd power. Divide pressure by the distance cubed. Find the term for expanding in 3 dimensions. Very good! You have built a